If you've ever had a migraine, you know how painful it is. And for some people, this strong headache is caused by inflammation of nerves behind your nose. This can cause awful facial pain. Luckily, in the past couple of years, there's a new procedure that can help most people who think they have this, and it takes less than 15 minutes. 10/11's Carly Jensen has the details.
The disease is called trigeminal neuralgia, which is fancy for saying facial pain. I met a woman who has been living with this for 3 decades and tried multiple treatments, visiting doctors around the country and Mexico, until she discovered it could be treated right here in Lincoln at Bryan Health. Talking and eating are two of Fannie Shaw's favorite things. But for the past 30 years, she hasn't been able to do much of either because it was too painful.
Pain first occurred in 1988, and I started having headaches, and I was actually jaw aches, and I didn't know what it was from.
Fannie spent decades trying to find answers.
So I started going to dentists. I went to acupuncture. That didn't help.
It wasn't until this year that she learned she had this disease.
So people that have trigeminal neuralgia can have very severe pain affecting their face, and it can be triggered by things such as brushing their teeth.
Dr. Michael Butler ran some tests on Fannie and wanted to get her treatment right away.
I've been living off a liquid diet, Ensure and Boost.
The procedure that changed everything for Fannie is called SphenoCath.
This actually goes into the nose. We're watching on X-ray from the side, and then this extends out and angles to direct our lidocaine in the correct location.
For patients like Fannie, the targeted lidocaine anesthetic resets a large cluster of nerves that sits behind the nasal cavity.
By the time I got to the lobby, the pain had started diminishing.
She had her first dosage in January and 2 others since.
I've been eating chicken, I've been eating steaks, I've been eating salads, I've been eating a little bit of everything, you know. So now my life is totally different. I feel like a new woman, really.
Coming in for this SphenoCath only takes around 15 minutes, and depending on the person, it can last for a couple months up to a year. As for Fannie, since January, she's gained 30 pounds because she can finally eat without pain.